Hey there mga my loves, Cancer! Thank you so much po sa patuloy at wala ninyong sawa na pagsuporta sa akin dito sa channel na to. At bago tayo magsimula, meron tayong new channel, ang All About Taurus. So kung kayo ay dealing with Taurus or cross-watcher kayo nila, no, you might want to check that out. The link is in the description box. Or kung hindi naman kayo dealing with Taurus pero meron kayong Taurus in your natal or birth chart, you might want to check that out. So, thank you so much, Cancer. So, tingnan natin, mga babes, no? Tayong gender dito. Just only take what resonates with you. Pag ang messages ay hindi para sa'yo, huwag mong ipilit, mga babes, no? Kasi ayokong sumakit ang julo mo. Okay? So, yan, no? Timeless din. Eto. So, let's see, Cancer. Spirits and Angel Guides, Archangel Michael, thank you so much. Spirits and Angel Guides, can you please show me what do we have here for Cancer, please? Messages for Cancer, please. Okay, thank you so much. Let's see what messages we have here for you, Cancer. We have here the pathway, very good. And we also got here the family room, followed by the mature man. Whoa! Alam mo, I'm hearing pagpapamilya rito, no? Or someone sees you here, no? Na may potential kang malaki, no? Na maging isang mabuting may bahay, maging isang mabuting asawa, maging isang mabuting ama, or anak, no? I mean, mabuting ama or ina, yan, or mabuti rito, no, na makakasama habang buhay, no. So I can see right here that this is someone here who wants to settle down with you, Cancer. So I think, mga babes, no, na hindi pa ito paparating, no, for others of you, yung iba paparating pa lamang, no, yung iba connecting na kayo sa kanya rito, no. And don't fret because this matured man is not literally someone na talagang malaki yung age gap ninyo or what, no? Kasi ang masakuha ko dito, matured siya, mag-isip, no? At alam mo yon, no? Yan yung klase ng taong meron talagang pagtupad sa magiging responsibilidad niya, no? As a family man or as a family woman. So, wala tayong gender dito, pero someone here wants na makasama ka rito, no? In a setup na wife and husband kayo, couple, ganyan, no? So, yung iba papasok pa lang to sa buhay ninyo, no? At ito ay magkakaroon ng magandang simula, no? At meron ditong pagbabago. Kung makikita mo, no? Meron ditong dalawang 5, which are powerful number of change. And you also do have here the butterflies, diba? So, kung kayo ay napanood din niyo yung mga videos ko ng manifestations rito, ang pinaka-powerful dito na sign for me is ang mga butterflies. Ibig sabihin, nagtatransform ang buhay mo. So, kung feeling mo, I'm hearing maalat. Kung feeling mo, maalat yung love life mo, no? Not anymore. Because you are about to embark here into the new phase of your love life. Yeah, changes, no, ay about to happen in your love life. That person could be somewhat wealthy or hindi ka niya hahayaan na maghirap. Okay? Pwedeng mahilig ka sa tea or coffee. Okay? So, I can see that this person will make sure na meron kayo niyan lagi, no, sa inyong home. And then, picking up na hindi lang talaga ito basta house, no, mansion pa nga ito. So, ibig sabihin, this is a successful man and woman right here. Okay? So, let's get to know more about that. Taray! Sino yan? Okay, let's see. Yung iba sa inyo, pwedeng nasa buhay nyo na siya, no? Pero hindi pa nag-e-evolve in a magical way ang inyong love story. Okay? Okay, mag-worry. Mag-unfold din yan. Tell me about this for Cancer, please. Tell me about this for Cancer. Kumawa. See? Look at that. You also have here the Empress. And we have here the Ace of Swords. Okay. Wow. Nine of Wands energy. This is someone who's really abundant here. Nagmamatch actually ang energy ninyong dalawa. Yeah. Oh, see, we have here the Ten of Coins energy. Someone here who is probably wealthy. Someone here who is really abundant right here. And this person will help you. Okay, I don't know. Marami talaga siyang money. You know, we have here the King of Wands. This is the type of king. Wala tayong gender dito, no? But this is the type of energy right here na kaya niyang i-hold ang maraming responsibilities. So, pwedeng marami rin siya ritong business at may mga work pa siya. So, kung sino siya, no, kaya niya ikaw tulungan na i-drop ang lahat ng mga problema mo with the Ten of Wands energy. This is a support right here. Okay? Pero I can see that whoever this individual is appearing here as someone, okay, na talagang may ibubuga sa life. Yun nakikita ko dito. And yun nga, no, this is quite unfolding to you gradually, slowly ito. As you can see, Six of Swords, this is you moving to calmer relationship, moving to somewhat a relationship kung saan magsasettle ka na. Yun, no? This is a new beginning right here. This is a very smart person, intelligent. Okay? At kapag ka nag-joke siya, matatawa ka. Alam mo, hindi dahil nakakatawa yung joke niya, kundi kuro. Wali ang joke niya, no? So, yeah. Matalino siya. Pwedeng mahilig rin siya magbasa, no? Pero pagdating sa jokes, wali. Yan. I can see right here that you're slowly moving towards reunion right here. So, others of you could be feeling familiar already with this person. Not because nakita mo na siya somewhere else, but because others of you, maaring meron kayo ritong parehas na soul path before. No? Pwedeng nagkaroon na kayo ng encounter in your past life. Okay? Not all of you, but I can see that you will be reuniting each other. Yeah, no? It's a reunion with the Three of Cups energy. And for others, maaring wala naman kayong past life na encounter before, but I can see two souls being reunited here. Yan, no? So, this person will probably have this kind of, magiging ano siya, kung may option ka around you, Cancer, hindi siya mawawala dun sa mga options na nasa top of the line or top list mo. Nakita ko rito ng iba sa inyo not really looking for love. Okay? And this person will come in kapag ka hindi mo talaga list na ina-expect. I mean, kapag ka list na ina-expect mo, this person will comes in into your life. Okay? Kasi yung iba sa inyo rito, no, totally single kayo. Like, hindi naman kayo ready to mingle or nasanay kayo, no, na matagal na kayong single. Basta pag hindi kayo naghahanap ng love, even though you have options right now for others of you, this person will comes in. Yung iba nasa buhay nyo na to, pero this is unfolding gradually, slowly, pero papunta kayo doon. So, I can see that whoever this person is, you could probably be observing each other. Parehas kayo matalino eh. Yun na nakikita ko rito. Diba? It's like you've found already your perfect match, pero kailangan pumasa muna siya sa mga tests. And this person, ganun din siya sa'yo. Both of you will find each other perfect. Okay? This person is observing you because tinitingnan niya rito kung papasa ka, no, bilang kanyang perfect wife or perfect husband sa tabi niya, no? And you could also be doing the same thing. Okay? Little did you know na parehas na pala kayo rito ng ginagawa. Diba? So, I can see here a power couple. This person almost appears as the Empress dito. So, kung ganito ka, no, you feel abundant and contented right now, like literally, you're happy being single, you could be already in a feeling of being abundant and healed here. So, ibig sabihin, you are appearing as the Emperor. Okay? So, there's a power couple that I'm seeing right here. And both of you will embark in this pathway. Parehas kayong papunta dyan. Yeah, no? You will both help each other na mas mabuild pa rito, no, ang inyong stability really strong. And I can see that this connection will really goes along way. Talagang mag-go to the distance ito, no? Sa ngayon, mga babes, no, I think, because I'm strongly getting distance, that's why I mentioned that maaring malayo pa siya ngayon sa'yo, or papalapit pa lamang siya. Meron pa ditong distance na location, or pwedeng meron pang distance ngayon sa emotion, kasi nga, nag-a-unfold pa ng gradually, pero papunta kayo detail. Diba? Detail sa pathway. So, yeah. Thank you so much, Cancer. And, love and light. Annyeong!